Thikũ ĩmwe tu thutha wa President William Ruto kuga no mũhaka thirikari ikinyanirie ũhũthĩri wa mutambo wa procurement harĩ ũgũri wa indo cia thirikari na uheani wa kandarathi, atongoria no mathiĩte na mbere na kuheana mawoni matiganĩte. Ngabana wa kaunti ya MURANG'A IRUNGU Kang'ata augĩte ũhũthĩri wa mutambo ũyũ nĩ ũkũhingũra mbeca cia thirikari cia kaunti, kuona kwa ihinda rĩrĩ mawĩra maingĩ nĩ makwamĩte.
This outstanding issue of e-procurement, our inability to upload procurement plans, and we all know MURANG'A has an ongoing program called Inua Masomo, where we pay full fees for 8,000 students in our day schools. But now we can't pay because there is no money. Week 1 has ended.
And every time that you're bringing a new system, there is always a period to pilot a new system. As you roll out, as you continue rolling out the existing system, so that services don't stop. You don't just wake up in the morning and say we have an e-procurement, and this weekend I've told my people not to go to work, because that's what I heard the minister saying. This weekend I've told my people that they cannot go home. They must be in offices, making sure that by Monday, then e-procurement is rolled out.
Kang'ata augĩte mutambo ũyũ no ũkũnina mathĩna ma ũgũri wa ndawa thirikari-inĩ cia kaunti, gũtengeria marĩhi ma mĩcara ya aruti a wĩra a kaunti, o ũndũ ũmwe na gũtigĩrĩra arutwo nĩ mamũkĩra mbeca cia basarĩ kahinda-inĩ karĩa kagĩrĩire.
National Treasury to get in touch with the control budget to allow money to be dispersed to the counties. Counties are suffering, MURANG'A included. We need to pay salaries. We need to pay bursaries. Our children are at home because the bursaries funds have not been released.
Hatuwezi nunua chochote, hatuwezi nunua madawa, hatuwezi fanya procurement ya zile project tuliweka kwa budget. Kwa hivyo tunaomba vile senator wetu ameuliza, let's get back to the old system, alafu they can still roll out the new system pole pole. Kwa hivyo kwa machache, we just request that we may start the procurement immediately.
Augĩte mũtaratara ũyũ wa e-procurement nĩ ũcũngĩrĩirie wĩkururia wa maũndũ maingĩ, kuona gũtirĩ mbeca cingĩrekererio amu bajeti yothe ya kaunti ĩbatiĩ kũhikithanio na mũtaratara ũyũ ũrĩa ũtarĩ ũrarĩka.
We are now headed to week 2. We urge control budget and the National Treasury to complete those new changes they have proposed, and so that we move forward. We need to get our students back to school as soon as yesterday. We need to pay county employees as soon as yesterday.
People need services. County governments need to procure drugs for the hospitals. They need to procure for even their ECD centers. So I am not opposed to e-procurement at all. I have a problem with the rollout. That there's a system that has been running. You just come and just terminate the system and begin to introduce a new system that you've heard from the governor himself saying it's not working.
Uria ugĩte thirikari nene ĩbatiĩ gũkoragwo ĩkĩrekereria mbeca cia kaunti gũkinyĩria mweri 15 wa o mweri kũringana na gatiba ya bũrũri.
For me, I have no problem at all with the digitization of procurement. But it is not working. So once they make it work, fine. But we need to take our students to school that
Wakĩigua kamũhwa ngunyĩra nĩguo ngururĩrie na ngũthererie tondũ gaka nĩ kanyako ũhoro kuma metumi ndigi magũrũ. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Sera wa Bui wa Mwangi.
Unajua the governor ile anatupatia